Alright, so this is two-sum. This is a classic problem that I've done quite a few times before. I'm going to do it again now just for the sake of completeness. So given an array of numbers and an integer target, return the indices such that the numbers add to the target. You may assume that every input has exactly one pair of indices that satisfy the condition. Return the answer with the smaller index first. Right. So this is an interesting question. It's one of my favorite questions. So one thing that you don't want to do is you do not want to use a double for loop. So there's much better ways to do this. So say our target's like 9. You don't want to check 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 8 and have to like potentially go through twice. That would be ridiculous. So what we do is we create a dictionary. Then we do if the number is in the dictionary, I'm going to say, what do? If we do if target, which is 9, minus our current number, we need to do target minus num in dict. We return our current numbers into C and dict num I, else we do dict num I equals I. So what this does is if the target minus our number, which would be 8 here, is in the dictionary, which 1 would be at this point because we're going through the full list once, we return the current index and the index of 1, which we will store in our dictionary up here. Else we add our current number that we're on and into our dictionary with the value being the current index. So that's how you do two-sum. We want to avoid the double for loop. This way it lets us loop over the list once, which with big numbers, it'll save us a lot of time. So I'm going to make my D. Then what I'm going to do is if target minus, no, oh goodness, sorry. I need to loop over nums. So for I in range len nums, I'm going to do if target minus nums I is in the dictionary, my D, I'm going to return, what do we want? We want the small index first, which will be the one that's in the dictionary because we're looping over it in order. So we will do return my D nums I That's not what we want to do. Because nums I is, I think we want to return target minus nums I. Because nums I here would be 8. I think that's what we want to do. Let's check, else we do myd nums I equals I. Yep, that's accepted. So this would be 9 minus 8, and we return the index. So let's give it a go. Yes, that's what we do. Yeah, I was looking at this and thinking that can't be right, because otherwise we're doing it down here. Yeah, so we need to put the target in here first, because this is the actual, like, number. This would be, in the case of the target being 9 and this being 8, we wouldn't want to search for 8 because it wouldn't be in the dictionary yet. So that's what we do. Yeah, awesome.